A new era of urban transportation.
Drone taxis are autonomous aerial vehicles designed to transport passengers across cities. While still in the testing phase, these air taxis promise faster commutes and less road congestion. Companies and city planners are working together to create practical, safe solutions for daily urban mobility, marking a significant step toward a smarter, airborne future.
Advanced navigation and control systems.
To operate safely above city streets, drone taxis use AI-powered navigation systems, GPS, and collision avoidance sensors. These technologies help them detect obstacles, follow designated flight paths, and adapt to real-time weather changes. Continuous communication with ground control centers ensures reliable monitoring and rapid emergency response if needed.
Building urban air infrastructure.
Making drone taxis a reality requires new infrastructure called vertiports, designated landing and takeoff zones on rooftops or empty lots. These hubs are equipped with charging stations and passenger facilities. Cities are exploring where to place vertiports for maximum convenience, minimal disruption, and safe integration with existing transportation networks.
Regulations ensuring safety.
Government agencies and aviation authorities are developing strict regulations for drone taxi operations. These include setting altitude limits, defining air corridors, and setting maintenance standards. Pilots and operators must also follow detailed protocols to ensure passenger safety and privacy as these aircraft become a common sight in city skies.
What urban air mobility might look like.
In the near future, urban air mobility could transform commutes, making 10-minute flights between city centers possible. Quiet electric engines and autonomous control aim to keep skies safer and cleaner. As public acceptance grows and technology advances, drone taxis are poised to become a mainstream part of urban transportation.